Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, we will see how you can apply for Kailash Yatra from Government of India. So it is currently managed by External Affairs Ministry. So I will show you how you can apply for Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. So Kailash Yatra is usually referred to as Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, which is a significant Hindu pilgrim to Mount Kailash and Lake Mansarovar, which is located in Tibet, China. So not everyone can go it. So yearly government allocates permission to a limited number of people. Now they are following a lot system. That means it's like a lottery. Even if you have money, then you cannot go it directly. You will have to apply through the whole process, and it takes a significant amount of time for the entire duration of yatra. It's not something you can go in 1 week or in 2-3 days and come back. So I have personally not been in this yatra, but I would like to. So that is where I was exploring about various steps and procedures for taking this yatra. So for this, you need to come to this website. It's called kmy.gov.in, which refers to Kailash Mansarovar Yatra.gov.in, kmy.gov.in. So here you can see the selection process for this yatra. So you can apply online. So an online lottery will take up, which is like a draw. Then if you are selected in that, you will be intimated. Then you have to pay the fee payment for the trip. So Kailash Mansarovar Yatra is managed by External Affairs, and it organizes the yatra during June to September each year through two different routes. One is Lipulekh Pass, Uttarakhand. Another one is Nathu Pass, Sikkim. So Kailash Mansarovar Yatra is known as religious value and cultural significance. It is undertaken by hundreds of people every year, being significant to Hindus as abode of Lord Shiva. It holds religious importance also for Jains and Buddhists. The Kailash Mansarovar Yatra is open to eligible Indian citizens holding valid Indian passports who wish to proceed to Kailash Mansarovar for religious purposes. Ministry of External Affairs does not provide any subsidy or financial assistance to yatris. Okay, so these are some things you need to know. So these are the two routes that you see. The first one is Lipulekh Pass and via Nathu Pass. So they have a detailed map of it prepared. So if you look at it, you can see here. So this is the Mount Kailash. So this is where your yatra starts, Delhi. This is how we will go. So the entire thing has been put across as a map. Now if you go via Nathu Pass, this is the Nathu Pass. This is trek by road, by air, New Delhi, Bagdora, Siliguri, Gangtok. You might have known till Gangtok, some people would have gone. Then from there, this is how you go. Okay, so that is how it, two routes for going there. So the approximate cost is also mentioned here. So for one person, the cost will be around 1.8 lakhs and the duration is about 28 days. And each batch around 18 people goes. So total number of batches is 10. Duration is about 21 days. The estimated cost per person is 2.5 lakhs. Okay, so now if I go to the fee structure, you can get a detailed fee structure here. So fees and expenditure for yatri. Okay, this is the Lipulekh route and this is the Nathu route. So now if you go to FAQs, so I'll go to FAQs so that you will get to know about it. Some important questions. Are foreigners with PIO, overseas citizen of India status eligible to undertake the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra? An Indian citizen holding a valid Indian passport and age minimum 18 years and maximum 70 years as on 1st January of that year is eligible to apply for the Yatra. Those who hold foreign nationalities are not eligible. OCA card holders are therefore ineligible. So similar yatras are conducted by other private agencies which complete in only 14 days. What is the difference between the one conducted by Government of India and those conducted by private agencies? So there are no private agencies that conduct the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra on these two routes, that is via Lipulekh Pass and Nathu Pass. This is exclusively for Government of India and there is no comparison. Yatris are on these two routes transfers through numerous touristic and religious places with scenic and mesmerizing beauty, providing splendid views of mountains, peaks, and famed flora of Kumon region of Uttarakhand and Sikkim, which is unique to these areas. Also, the number of days of Yatra efforts appropriate acclimatization process to withstand the inhospitable conditions in this route. So, in addition, the Yatra requires 4 days to be spent in New Delhi for completing various formalities. So, is there any subsidy? There is no subsidy that is provided. Then is the spouse, or if the spouse has also filled the form, will she directly be selected? So application for both person have to be completed online together before the last date. Otherwise, incomplete application would be rejected. So I'm just trying to answer some of the few questions. There are food and accommodation arrangements made during that. On the Indian side of the Yatra, KMBN or STDC makes the transportation, logistical, and food arrangements. Then there are various other questions why Yatri is required to undergo and quality detailed medical examination. Yatris are required to trek through high altitudes. That's the reason. Will the medical examination conducted at Delhi Heart and Lung Institute guarantee the Yatris will not suffer from any diseases on the way or edema, etc.? So, no, it is not a guarantee. That's what they say. Is there any age factor for Yatris? There is a maximum age of 70 years. So, various other questions that you might have, all those questions are answered here. How much of trekking is involved in the Nathula route? Nathula is a motorable route and involves comparatively very little trekking of about 35 to 40 kilometers for Kailash Parikrama only. So now if you go into this PDF, you can see itinerary of previous trips. So if you look at it, see from Delhi the trip is starting. These are different batches. I think around 2019 itinerary is this. So the day of arrival in Gangtok is mentioned, whether it is by air or bus, it has been mentioned there. Then various location, right? If you see total number of days, all those information has been mentioned there. If you look at into this other route, you see the number of days. So it has been mentioned there. Now if you look into who is eligible for the Yatra, you can see the eligibility condition. You must be Indian citizen, and as some of them I have already mentioned. So now if I go to the application, I have to go and click on apply for Yatra. Okay, so I need to read all the information and eligibility condition before the Yatra, ensure that I have PDF document reader. Then there are two routes. Route 1 is Lipulekh, Darchula or Delhi. Route 2 is Nathula, Gangtok or Delhi. All fields in the application form are compulsory. You need to have a copy of passport size photograph, around 300 KB in size, scanned copy of your passport, and last page containing family details, and it should not exceed 500 KB in size. If applying with another person, also keep ready the other things for them. After successful online registration of your application, you will take a printout of the application form and keep with your reference. You will receive SMS and email after a successful submission of the applicant. So in a single account, maximum 2 registration form can be submitted if 2 people want to go together in a batch. Okay, so that is how it is. So if you have already created an account, you can go here and create it using you can log in here. Now if you have not, then you can go here and create for new user. So it is not yet open for 2025. So currently I'm in 12th April 2025. So once it is open, you can come here, register, log in, and you can apply for it. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.